Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Banker's World. Today I have brought for you the November 2nd week 2020 most important current affairs MCQ. So let us begin with the first MCQ of today. The first Sandalwood Museum has been set up in which city? The options are Delhi, Bangalore, Mysuru or Kolkata. Well, the right answer is option C, Mysuru. Question 2. Which district has topped the country in water conservation and bagged the national award under the Jal Shakti Abhiyan for the year 2019? The options are Jamnagar, Patiala, Kadapa, Andheri. Well, the right answer is option C, Kadapa. Coming to question number 3, which state launched social awareness and action to neutralize pneumonia successfully program in November 2020? The options are Odisha, Karnataka, Jharkhand or Bihar. Well, the right answer is option A, Odisha. Coming to question 4, whose autobiography will be titled as I Am No Masiha? The options are Amitabh Bachchan, Shatrughan Sinha, Sonu Sood or Salman Khan. Well, the right answer is option C, Sonu Sood. Coming to question number 5, which state is going to launch a campaign to provide employment to 50 lakh youths in the state by the end of March? The options are UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha. Well, the right answer is option A, UP. Coming to question number 6, who inaugurated a first of its kind Xiant air purifier in Gandhinagar, New Delhi? The options are Narendra Modi, Virat Kohli, Gautam Gambhir or Amit Shah. Well, the right answer is option C, Gautam Gambhir. Coming to question number 7, when is World Pneumonia Day? The right answer is option B, 12th of November. Coming to question number 8, International Bard Festival will be organized in Gorakhpur in which month? The right answer is option C, February 2021. Coming to question number 9, MobiKwik has partnered with which of the following to launch its first prepaid payments card with a flexible credit limit? The right answer is option D, American Express. Coming to question number 10, which state government plans to build the largest toy museum in the world with a toy of 11 lakhs? Well, the right answer is option A, Gujarat. Coming to question 11, by which month of the next year 2021 Delhi residents will have a unique e-health card? The right answer is option B, August. Coming to question 12, which space agency has officially certified the first commercial spacecraft system capable of ferrying astronauts to and from the International Space Station? The right answer is option B, NASA. Moving to the next question, who has developed a unique robot that soaks up pollutants from the air and acts as a purifier? The right answer is option C, Pranjal. Coming to question number 14, PM Modi will co-chair the 17th Asian India Summit with which country's PM? The right answer is option D, Vietnam. Coming to question number 15, how much percent growth has been observed in a year in the number of FASTag users in the country till November 2020? The right answer is option B, 400. Coming to question number 16, which state assembly unanimously passed a resolution seeking a separate code for Adivasis? The options are Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha. The right answer is option C, Jharkhand. Coming to question number 17, which of the following states has announced that the state will enact a law making wearing masks compulsory? The options are UP, Telangana, Rajasthan, Haryana. The right answer is option C, Rajasthan. Coming to question 18, in November 2020, who has unveiled a new scheme Atmanirbhar Bharat Rozgar Yojana to incentivize job creation? The right answer is option C, Nirmala Sitharaman. Coming to question 19, which of the following has announced its debut into live sports in India by acquiring the India territory rights for the New Zealand cricket through 2025 to 2026? The right answer is option B, Amazon Prime Video. Coming to the 20th question of today, which of the following will unveil a drone air peak for video content creators? Well, the right answer is option C, Sony. Coming to question 21, a 24-hour help desk for women has been set up at airport of which of the following place? The right answer is option D, Hyderabad Airport. Coming to question 22, which team won the Indian Premier League IPL title in November 2020? Well, it is won by Mumbai Indians, option number D. Coming to question 23, who won the IPL 2020 Orange Cup? The right answer is KL Rahul. Well, it's Orange Cap. KL Rahul won the Orange Cap. Who inaugurated the 13th Urban Mobility India Conference on Emerging Trends in Urban Mobility? The right answer is option C, Hardeep S. Puri. Going to question number 25, which country has made a health certification mandatory for all milk and milk product exports that will be subject to stringent quality control, inspection and monitoring? The right answer is option B, India. Coming to question 26, which of the following has come together with Paytm to facilitate seamless transactions for MSMEs? The right answer is option B, Mark ERP. Coming to question 27, Airtel Payments Bank has partnered with which of the following to offer comprehensive car insurance to the payments bank's customers? The right answer is option C, Bharati AXA. Coming to question 28, which of the following has launched a spin dispatch feature at Delhi Airport? The option is option C, Uber. Going to question 29, when is the World Urbanism Day, also known as the World Town Planning Day, observed? The right answer is option B, 8th of November. The 30th question of today, in November 2020, who told the Ministry of Shipping is being expanded and renamed as the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways? Well, the right answer is option B, PM Narendra Modi. Well, this was all for today. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like my video, then please like my video, then share my video and comment on my video. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching this video.